Rustling up a meeting, a quick dive into informal English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase that you might come across in the English-speaking world. Rustle up a meeting. Whether you're in a casual conversation or maybe even in a more informal business context, understanding these kinds of expressions can really boost your fluency. So, let's dive in and unravel the meaning and usage of this phrase together. Before we get into the specific phrase, let's break down rustle up. Traditionally, to rustle means to make a soft, muffled sound, like leaves moving in the wind. However, when we use it in the phrase rustle up, it takes on a whole new meaning. Rustle up is an informal way of saying to quickly find or prepare something, often with the resources you have at hand. It's like conjuring up something in a pinch. Now, combining rustle up with a meeting gives us rustle up a meeting. This phrase is used to describe organizing a meeting quickly or at short notice, usually because a sudden need has arisen. It implies a sense of urgency and flexibility, suggesting that the meeting might not be as formal or structured as one that's been on the calendar for weeks. Understanding when and how to use this phrase can help you communicate more effectively. Rustle up a meeting is perfect for informal or semi-formal settings. For example, if you're at work and a problem arises that needs immediate discussion, you might say to your team, "We need to rustle up a meeting to sort this out quickly." However, it's probably not the best choice for very formal or official communications. Knowing your audience and the context is key to using it appropriately. To help you grasp how rustle up a meeting can be used in real-life situations, here are a few examples. The project deadline was moved up, so we need to rustle up a meeting and revise our plan. Can you rustle up a meeting with the sales team? We have to address these customer feedback issues ASAP. After the power outage, we had to rustle up a meeting to assess the impact on our operations. And that's a wrap on Rustle Up a Meeting. We hope this video has not only clarified the meaning and use of this phrase but also added a fun, informal expression to your English vocabulary. Remember, language is all about expression and connection, so don't be afraid to use what you've learned here in your conversations. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to helping you explore more interesting aspects of the English language in our future videos. Keep practicing, and see you next time!